Unangelam ka Trinamool Congress TMC ubadeiru umintri rangba berim Mukul Sangma ulaong baka jingiadei lok hapdeng ka National People's Party NPP jong umintri rangba ka jela ukonrat ki Sangma bat ka parti jong Bikram Jingiadei Barma ka TIPRA Motha kamdeshu ka thymmai bat kin yebeteng banyatrelang. Haba jubab ya ka jingkeli halur ka jingtmu bantau ya ka kinhu North East Front umukul ulaong kamdeshu ka dang thymmai ukonrat Sangma bat upradiut kilayadon lang lupa kiadon lang bat ngatip bakin sayadon lang ula benrap bahagi singi banwan on sapen pau ya shibun ki jingkendin kata da ka bakdo ya ka jingkela ha ka kamsan hima sima hapok athan kumta kindan la ka jong ka jaka kumba ngala ong kindan bun kinong tremon ngobha bat kisngi ki bandang wan kin sakren hi daladi kumta tobat ikikti jongphi phila banyo I kumno ka jingkla ha ka san hi masima kan sayat hakisnam ki banwan ulaong mukul ulakno ya ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA bakadei ka balathong da ka BJP bat kam bagya trelang ya ka ni ka sarkar lathong da ka BJP kumta ki dei ka benta jong ka BJP ki trelang ulaong da ka ba jingmod baka jingkeli syapang ka jingpen jingiadei na ka BJP kadeben long bet shaki hakabaya dei baka jingkhot bandrung sya ka North East Front umukul ulaong hadu menta ngala syuyok sngo baki yakren kan long tang kumba pulut ka yakapor jongki.
It's nothing new. I think Mr. Conrad Sangma, the incumbent Chief Minister of our Meghalaya, and Mr. Pradyut, they have been together already. It's nothing new. They have been together, they are together, and I know they will be together. So they will have their own space. That's it. As I have said, there will be many freelancers. You know, the days ahead will speak for itself. You will see for itself, yourself. So keep your fingers crossed and see how political dynamics unfold in the years to come. There will be many surprises from the whole Northeast perspective for the good of our people, But in as far as this very association is concerned, I don't think it is new. It is there. It's just that they are trying to reach out in a larger scale. That's all.
So do you also feel that it's a
Why do you ask this question? I have already said that this government was installed by BJP, so they are part of the BJP. So also Pradyut, he is a part of the BJP. They are together. Where is the question that rather, in fact, you have to ask them whether they want to somehow distance themselves from BJP or want to delink from BJP. That question has to be posed to them. It has to be directed to them.